Hello guys, welcome to my channel Tech Mania. So, since most of us use Google Chrome as our default browser, so I have something for you. So today I will tell you 6 important Google extensions which will help you for safe and secure browsing. So, let's start. So this is a notepad file which I have made for the 6 important extensions. So these are HTTPS Everywhere, OneTap, AdBlock, Grammarly for Chrome, Click and Clean, Avast Online Security. So these help us for safe and secure browsing. So let's just move on how to add these extensions to our Google Chrome. So first of all, go to your Google Chrome and type extensions for Chrome. So you can check my description also, I'll give the link there, and then search here Grammarly for Chrome and hit enter. So you will see the first extension, Grammarly for Chrome. Now just click on add to Chrome and click on add extension. Now after this you will see it is downloading. Now it's added, as you can see. Now you can pin it to your bar and it's working. So what this extension will do, this extension will help you in making grammatical mistakes. So this extension won't allow you to have grammatical mistakes, and it will reduce the errors which you make while typing in a website or in any form and etc. So the other extensions are OneTab. So just search for OneTab. I'll do this. Just search for OneTab, and this is the OneTab. As I've already installed it, so I will not install it again. You just have to click on add to Chrome and then it will get installed. So what is the benefit of this? The benefit of this is that when you use Chrome and you use multiple tabs, so what the problem is that Chrome uses a lot of RAM. So due to multiple tabs, the Chrome works slowly. So what will OneTab do? OneTab will reduce all the multiple tabs into a single tab. Like if I'll open something Amazon here, and I'll open say Flipkart, another one, and if I'll then hit on one tab, then all my tabs are reduced to one tab. Now I can click on anyone like Flipkart or Amazon. So this is quite beneficial as it will help you to increase the speed while working on Chrome. So this is for OneTab. Now the next extension is HTTPS Everywhere. So I've already installed it. You have to install in the same way. I'll just tell you what does HTTPS Everywhere does. So now the third extension is HTTPS Everywhere. So basically the work of HTTPS Everywhere is to encrypt the communication to the main site, and it is more secure than the insecure HTTP version. So it will help you safe and secure browsing in your Chrome. So now one of my favorite extension is AdBlock. So what does AdBlock do? As the name suggests, AdBlock will block the ads which you see on your sites. So different websites have different ads coming on it. So you can just go for ad blocker and just click on ad blocker and click on ad blocks. Like I've installed this one, this ad block. Then you can find this ad block extension and add it to your Chrome. Now the next one is Click and Clean. So I'll just type Click and Clean, and you'll see this Clean Brew. You can use any of this extension, Clean Brew. You can just add to Chrome. And what is the main function of Clean Brew? I'll show you. Now this is my Clean Brew extension. So I will just tap on it and just click on clear, and it will clear my history and my cache and I can also add cookies and downloads. It will clear all the things in just one tap. So it is quite easy way to clean your history. I know many of you guys might need to relate your history very often, so it is very useful. Now the last one is Avast Online Security. So what is, I'll just first show you Avast Online Security. Avast Online Security, and just hit on click. So this is Avast Online Security, and I'll just add it to Chrome and click on add extension. Now after this, it will show in my bar, and this is my extension for Avast Online Security. So what will this do? It will tell us which of the site is safe and secure for us. For example, if I type Amazon and then I will click on Avast, and it will show that this website is safe. So basically these green ticks show that all of these websites are safe, so you can just click on them. So this is good for safe and secure browsing. In case if these ticks are red, so that site is a third-party site or a harmful site, and it can corrupt your data, so beware of it. So with this we come to the end of this video, and if you enjoyed the video and learned something new, then just like, share and subscribe my channel, and most importantly just hit the bell icon, because that will give you the notification of my new video. Also write down in the comment section what you want in my next video, and I'll make a video on it. And thank you guys for showing this much of support to my channel, and thanks.